Your homepage changed itself. Every search now routes through some search engine you never picked. New tabs pop open on their own, usually to ads. That is not a Chrome bug, that is a hijacker, and it almost always rides in on a browser extension you installed without reading what it actually does. Here is the fast path. 3 things fix most hijacked Chrome installs. Remove the malicious extension, delete the hijacked search engine, then reset Chrome back to its defaults. Do them in that order because resetting first can leave a bad extension sitting there disabled but not gone. Start at Chrome://extensions. Turn on developer mode in the top right corner. This matters because some hijackers install themselves outside the Chrome Web Store, and developer mode is what surfaces those hidden entries. Go through every extension on the list. If you do not remember installing it, or its permissions look wrong for what it claims to do, especially anything touching search, shopping coupons, PDF tools, video downloads, or themes, click Remove. Those 5 categories are the most common disguise for hijackers because they sound useful enough that people install them without a second thought. Next, open Chrome://settings/search. Under Search Engine, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. You are looking for an entry you do not recognize, sitting where Google or your usual engine should be. Open its 3-dot menu and choose Delete. Then find the search engine you actually want. Open its 3-dot menu and choose Make Default. This step matters on its own because a hijacked search engine can survive an extension removal if it registered itself directly in Chrome's settings. Now go to Chrome://settings/reset. Click Reset Settings, then restore settings to their original defaults, then confirm. This puts your home page, new tab page, pinned tabs, and search engine back to Chrome's defaults, and it turns off your extensions rather than deleting them. So you will need to manually turn back on the ones you trust afterward from the extensions page. One correction worth making here. Chrome used to bundle a cleanup tool that would scan for unwanted software during this reset. Google retired that tool years ago, back in Chrome 111, because Chrome's own safe browsing and site isolation now cover most of what it used to catch. If you are watching an older guide that tells you to look for a scan button during reset, that button is gone. It is not you doing something wrong. That covers the browser itself. But a hijacker rarely limits itself to Chrome. So the fix has to go one level deeper. On Windows, open Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll through for anything you do not recognize installing around the same time your browser started acting up. Toolbars, PC optimizers, coupon helpers, and click Uninstall. On a Mac, open Finder, select Applications, right-click anything suspicious and choose Move to Trash, then empty the trash. Chrome resets its own settings, but it cannot remove a program sitting outside the browser. There is one more Windows-specific trick worth checking because it explains why some hijacks come back the moment you close and reopen Chrome. Right-click your Chrome shortcut, whether it is on the desktop, the taskbar, or the Start menu, and choose Properties. On the Shortcut tab, look at the Target field. It should end in chrome.exe in quotes and nothing else. Some hijackers append a launch argument after that, something referencing an app data folder with a flag like load-extension, which force loads a malicious extension every single time Chrome opens, even after you deleted it from the extensions page. If you see extra text after chrome.exe, delete everything past the closing quote and click Apply. If you would rather not edit it by hand, right-click the shortcut, choose Open File Location, then drag the real chrome.exe to your taskbar to make a clean shortcut from scratch. Once the browser and the system are both clean, run Chrome's safety check. Go to Chrome://settings/safety check and click Check Now. It reviews your safe browsing protection level, checks your saved passwords against known data breaches, confirms Chrome is updated, and flags any extension that Google has since pulled pulled from the web store for policy violations. That last check catches a hijacker that got removed from the store after you installed it but is still sitting active on your machine. While you are in there, turn on Enhanced Protection. It lives at chrome://settings/security under Safe Browsing. Enhanced Protection checks sites and downloads against Google's threat list in something closer to real time instead of the periodic list your browser downloads on the standard setting, so a fresh hijacker campaign gets caught sooner. If you have done all of that and the symptoms are still there after a full restart, the problem is probably not in Chrome anymore. A hijacker that changes your system's proxy settings or DNS server will keep redirecting you no matter how many times you reset the browser, because the redirect is happening before Chrome even loads the page. At that point, run a full scan with your operating system's built-in protection, Windows security on Windows, or a reputable scanner on Mac, and check your network settings for a proxy server you did not set up yourself. To recap, remove the suspicious extension first, delete the hijack search engine second, reset Chrome's settings third, then clean up anything installed outside the browser, and finish with safety check and enhanced protection turned on so the next one gets caught before it changes anything. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe, because this is Chrome explained properly.